Okay, so we are in Tacoma at the Museum of Glass, and we're not going to be going inside today, but I wanted to take a peek at some of the cool artwork they have outside. I tried to do a live stream earlier. That did not work out too well, but I really like these. I really like these fountain things here. So I guess we'll just walk around and take a look. Okay, that's pretty wet. I wasn't sure if it was inside or, you know what I mean? So, did I get water on the lens? Hi guys. No, it doesn't look like it. Alright, so I wanted to shoot this video in 60 frames, but I guess my phone doesn't let me do that, so we're doing the 30. Let's go take a peek over here. That's pretty artsy. Look, the elevator kind of goes into the pool. Wow, this is cool. Now I'm using a little microphone, so hopefully the audio is not too windy, but dang, that's pretty. So if you know what artist made a lot of the outside art here at the Museum of Glass, drop the name down below. And we'll see more of his work once we get to the crossing section up top that goes to the, I think it's the Natural History Museum of Washington, I believe it's called. But wow, that's pretty right here. The other day I shot a bunch of videos over by the port, and I shot a cool video at the observation tower if anybody wants to check that one out. Down here there's also the LeMay Car Museum over there, and then the Tacoma Dome's over there. If you're down here, you could also check out it'll come to me in a second, but there's also another museum, I believe, down that way. I think it's some type of maritime, like boat museum type thing. Wow, look at that. The place I'm thinking of, Town Square Freight or something. It's next to the train tracks. I'm having a little brain fog on what it is called, but this is super pretty. Town Square Freight Town Square. I can't remember, so forget I even mentioned it. Just Google it, you'll find it. Dang. That is like a photo right there. Holy cow. Let me see if I can take a photo while I'm, I think I did. Super pretty. Wow, that's cool. I guess that's the entrance. Wow, looks like the glass kind of shattered. So yeah, there's the Museum of Glass. Let me look up that place as we walk up here. This is a pretty neat spot. Yeah, I like this. Freight House Square, that's what it's called. Sorry, it's Freight House Square. I think Harbor Freight was on my brain. Freight House Square. That's what it's called. Definitely need to go check that place out. It's very pretty. So it should be capturing in 4K. Not at the 60 FPS. We're doing the 30, but hey, we gotta make it happen. Look, that's floating. Which way should we go? I guess we can go this way. That's pretty neat. I should have maybe went the other way. This is a bit of a walk. So the clouds are looking crazy today. We're getting some really nice clouds. And that's a really nice, big, artistic section. So it kind of looks like a lot of this is wheelchair accessible. That's what the giant ramps are here for, I believe. I think I'm just gonna keep going on the ramps. Might as well. The steps are cool, but these ramps are really nice. See if I can. All right, so here I am. Thanks for joining. We're having fun doing a 4K walk. That's a bit strange, look. Wow. It's big over here. All right. There's some cool stuff up here, so let's get back to it. My glasses are kind of messed up. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how long these have been here. I haven't been here in a while, but I really like those. And then those are some AC units. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Here we go. So there is the, what is it called? So the History Museum is over here, and this is some type of historic train building. And there's the Tacoma Art Museum over that direction. I have not been down here walking in forever. I forget what it's called. Seems like anything with the train, I forget the name. But these clouds are pretty ridiculous. So this building, of course, modern art, a lot of kind of hard lines and stuff. Kind of want to look at this a little bit. So this is another museum entrance. Seems like all the museum entrances are a little, I don't know, fancy, and they use glass. But here is the giant, I don't know what it's called, but what's happening is inside they do glass blowing, which I've actually done a glass blowing video. Not here. I did it down in, I think I was in Lacey or Chehalis. Let's take a peek. Looks like it also catches water. And there's like a vent. And I think I do have a video at the, History Museum. I might have had one at the museum. Actually, I have the footage, but I never uploaded it. And that was like some of the first stuff I ever shot. But we're gonna get to a wall here. It's the Chihuly Bridge of Glass. Dale Chihuly, artist, right there. Got a little bit of stuff there. And we're gonna, so I don't see anything over here, but over here, We have a bunch of works of art. Look at those. And I can actually zoom in a little bit and get some closer looks. So that's pretty neat. Got a bunch of them up there. So that's pretty neat. These are pretty cool too. Well, pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, there's the museum, the LeMay Museum over there. Might be a little loud right here. So that's pretty cool over there. I think there's more glass. Well, there's glass everywhere. Check this out. Like that. There we go. So the whole ceiling is glass. Wow.
What next, folks? Where to now?
That's pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna work our way. I'm digging the sky. Oh, Union Station. That's what the building over here is. There we go. Union Station. We'll take a peek at the museum real quick. I don't think you can see a whole lot. There's like a couple free days where you can get into these museums, like this one, Museum of Flight, and some other ones where everything's just free. Today, I don't think it is, but pretty cool. Let's go take a peek. So they got what does it say? Atham coffee. It's cool. So I really like this museum. They have a lot of cool a lot of cool figures and scenery stuff, which is pretty cool. And if you look that way, you can see where we just came from. There it is. And then you can see it says Museum of Glass right there. Pretty cool. I don't think it's open. Is it open? Oh, I guess it is. Thursday, third Thursday only. So yeah, it'd be open today. So we're gonna go take a peek at Union Station. There's just a ton of stuff to check out in downtown Tacoma. There's haunted tours, all types of stuff. Actually, yeah, a lot of haunted places. I think I did a live stream here one time. There it is, Atham. Music, food, coffee, tea. I think after this, I'm gonna head to Point Defiance. I wanna check out the new blocked off road. They blocked off the street. So apparently, I guess. So I'm gonna go take my bike and we're gonna go take a peek. This building's pretty neat. Sounds like the trolley is going by. Look at this. Huh. There's some, it's a cool statue. We'll check that out in a second. Oh, look at the floor. Little decorative things there. So I guess it's a courthouse. I never, is that it? Is it really a courthouse now? This is pretty cool. So yeah, they have some more art in there. You can see there's a cool top part. I didn't realize that it's an actual working facility. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Pretty neat. Okay, so I guess maybe we can swing around this way and let's get another view of this. Pretty cool. Okay, I did not really notice this originally, but this section is full of shells. Look at that. Lots of shells. Holy cow. It's because I went the other way. I didn't go up the steps. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like when you go out towards the ocean and there's just like a bunch in piles. Pretty cool. I don't know how I almost missed that. Is there anything else I almost missed? Jeez. Hopefully not.